Intro.
Welcome to my video again. Same spot. By a long shot. As you can see, this Moelenbeek sa Astoni.
Pekya.
Ming.
Mingi.
As you can
Mingi.
see. Mingi. As you can see, they're all shaped up. Shape up? Like circles. And look at this one. Look, interesting one. I don't know what that is. Oh, look, it's shaped like a circle. Siyempre, sabi ko lang eh. Oo na. Nakaangas nito. As you can see, we can't go back because the pot is closed. You look at that. Lumabas.
Pangatong bagay na to.
Ah, look at this. If you touch it, dahon pa rin. You call it Coprosma atropurpurea.
Purpurea.
What is that? And look at that one as well. You call it Pomaderris falicifolia. Oh! It attacked me. And look at this one. You call it Rophalostylis sapida. Katam Island form. Ikaw.
Safe.
That's a rare name. Pterophylla racemosa. Racemosa.
Ayos mo siya.
Look at this one.
Coprosma. Ramonoids. Kung di ko yung binasa, paano babasahin yun? Rhamnoides.
Oy, hindi. Look at this. Ba't ang sakit?
Huwag mong hawakan naman ng hawakan. Baboy.
Look at this. Aloe vera. Arthropodium xeratum.
Siratum.
Look at that. Piper Melchior. Kawaka.
Melchior.
Melchior.
Bro.
Oh, look. Spin the wheel. And we got... Sorry guys, my vlog is not vlogging. Look, spin the wheel again. Oh look, they blocked a stone here. I don't know why. Why? Why? Oh look, ay, wait, this
Ano?
that looks cool.
Oh my gosh, ang ganda.
Doesn't it? You call it Hebei Bonusula.
Ang ganda.
It looks beautiful.
Oo.
Oh, come inside. Come inside of my heart. If you're looking. What is this one? There's nothing here. Oh, look and see. You can see here. Pittosporum obracartum.
Aray.
Heart-lived kohuhu. Heart-lived. Ano yun?
Maray ko.
Ah, wala dito. I'm gonna show you something. Nakadaan na tayo doon.
May bangka, Yok. May bangka.
As you can see, they parked The boat here. I don't know why. Look, look, show him, show her. Show them. They parked the boat here. For some reason. What's the reason? Ay! Sorry. Technical abuse.
Sila lagi na.
Ba't nasumuko ako? Look, my heart is beating so fast. Nandun pa.
Yan ba yun?
Oh, yes. The texture. I'm sorry about that. As you can see, I'm not scared of this. There's a way. There's a way for me. Tara kita.
Wala.
Ano sila?
Sa kabila yun.
Great.
Kung galing pa tayo dito.
I think we've been here, right? As you can see, we've been here. Ba't nalita?
Ewan ko. Doon tayo dapat sa mga roses doon.
Cut it. Sure.
Char.
What?